Blake here with Texas Expansion Joints. Do you have these rotted pieces of wood in between your driveway? Not only is it a tripping hazard and liability, it's going to cost you thousands of dollars down the line. When water enters your expansion joints, it washes away soil beneath your driveway, causing sinking and unleveling to occur. This can lead you to paying thousands of dollars for a whole new driveway. At Texas Expansion Joints, we'll come out and seal your joints, protecting your concrete for good. We'll fill any hairline cracks you may have for the next 10 homeowners who fill out the form below.